In this video, you'll be learning how to download and install the HP LaserJet M1005 MFP printer driver in Windows 11 PC or laptop. So without any further ado, let's begin. First of all, you need to bring up your Google Chrome. The moment you have bring it up, navigate here at the search bar and type for HP LaserJet M1005 MFP printer driver. Once done typing, you need to hit the enter key and that way you would be navigated to the list of results. So please proceed to the second result, which contains the HP LaserJet M1005 Multifunction printer. And the moment you do it, you would be navigated to the page where you get to see the printer driver. Now from here, if our Windows 11 is not detected, just click on the choose a different OS or the operating system. Click on it. Click on this down arrow key. And you need to choose for the Windows 11. And once you've set it, you need to click on the update option to continue. Okay, so from here, you need to scroll down on the list. Please scroll down and you need to locate where this driver product installation software and click on this download. In my case, I have already downloaded such, but in your case, if not yet, then download it. Once done, you need to copy and move that to the desktop and you need to make a right click on this one and you need to extract the file. You can either double tap it and in that way you would be able to extract or unzip the file. So from here, please wait until the WinRAR option would be available here at the second to the last option where we get to extract or unzip this application or file. Now go with it and go with extract to. In my case, I've already extracted it is as well. Then once you have extracted it in your case, you need to navigate here at the start icon, make a right click, and then you need to scroll up and then click on the settings. Okay, so you can also press Windows key and I key together and in that way you would be able to bring up the settings window. So all you need to do is you need to wait until everything would be showing up here, okay, before we can proceed to the installation. Once it is being set for you, okay, you need to navigate to the left side of that where you get to list of the option. Please locate with this option called Bluetooth and devices. And the moment you have bring up the Bluetooth and devices, you need to scroll down and proceed with printers and scanners. Tap on it and you will get this kind of option. Click on this add device. And kindly wait until you would be able to see an option where you can see this add manually. Click on it. And in a few moments, you would be able to bring up or a window would be showing up here in the screen where we get to install our printer driver manually. Once here, please proceed with add a local printer or network printer with manual settings. Click on next, click on this down arrow key and use among of these three USB port. Click on next and click on have disk and click on the browse. Instructed file has been placed at the top, then we need to navigate there. So click on the desktop and from here you need to scroll down and proceed to the extracted file, double tap here and eventually you would be able to see a list of drivers. Click on open, click on OK and it would be placed here. So go with next. And once you have the click on next, you would be able to see the HP LaserJet M1005. So please click on next and it will now start the installation. Kindly wait until this would be done. Now once done, click on next and go with finished. And there you have that. You have just successfully installed the HP LaserJet M1005 Multifunction printer driver in Windows 11 PC or laptop. So close the window and you're good to go. So if you think this video helped you a lot, then please don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button as well as the bell icon to be updated for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching and have a good day, everyone.